I want to talk about what you can change in these 45 minutes for the rest of when we meet again to make some difference in your trading and results. Okay? So I'll keep Hindi-English mix because we have lovely Bangalore people and I am like born in MP but grown up in Bangalore. So I spent 12 years here. Okay? I know more lanes of Bangalore than of MP in my town or anywhere. So this is what my love about Bangalore is all about. I have played cricket here. I have walked here for 12 kilometers, 30 kilometers to reach office when I had no bike. I have done everything. I have tried my best to earn some money through like small business stall. I have done so many, I have given so many interviews. I have lost job in this city. I have got job again in this city and I got the idea that I should start sharing my information with people because जो मैंने झेला है, whatever I have sacrificed in my 15-16 years. I started trading in 2008. I was sitting with my friend in Sahkar Nagar and he shared with me that see, this moves, money moves here. I was bored with my job, so I thought कि यार पैसा हिलता है क्या दिन में भी? Because the only thing I knew is salary, which used to come on 30th. और after 20th, हालत ऐसी होती थी, the situation was such that I have to beg कि भाई थोड़ा सा 100 rupees please friend. तो I have seen all that. So what I am bringing today is the experience which should teach you every day why you are trading. Value of money. How many people here are making more than 1 lakh rupees regular income apart from trading? How many people are there making more than 1 lakh rupees every month? Almost 10%. So 90% people are making less than 1 lakh rupees. So let us have the expectation very clear that everybody sitting here needs 1 lakh rupees a month and he will be very happy. Correct? Yes. Let's have the expectation because when you trade, you forget it. You forget what you run morning to evening from Silk Board to Kyarpuram, Silk Board to Indiranagar, Silk Board to Hebbala. Every day you run 15-16 kilometers, 2 hours to earn how much? Less than 1 lakh rupees. Right? So पहले इस चीज को दिमाग में घुसा. Because if you forget it, what you will become? Chelsea trader. You will trade as if you are smoking weed. ठीक है? तो why people don't succeed is not a rocket science. Everybody knows they don't succeed because their actions are of failures. भाई काम करोगे खराब और रिजल्ट चाहिए सब अच्छा. I worked in IT and various companies for 11 years close to. I never worked hard because it was not my passion. उसके साथ में सीधे नीचे फोन रख के continuously 5-5 घंटे 5 hours I used to watch tick by tick. अभी तो tick by tick है, पहले तो refresh करना पड़ता था. So when you refresh, P&L changes. When you refresh, P&L changes. Right? So first thing दिमाग में रख लो, everybody here will be very happy if he makes how much? 1 lakh rupees per month. तभी से काम सही हो. So I'm going to share something which I tried for last 1 month. It may be known to many people. So I'll not talk about Indian market. I'll be talking about crypto and I'll be talking about something called option selling. Now option selling हम Indian market में क्यों नहीं करते? Why we don't do option selling in Indian market? Any questions? Probability of success is more in option buying or option selling? Selling? आप सबका भला किस में होगा? बोलो ना सेलिंग यार.
सेलिंग.
बाइंग के प्रेमी बहुत हैं. अब फिर बोलते हैं कि बर्बादी क्यों हो रही है. बाइंग मतलब बर्बादी. नहीं तो बर्बाद होके बनना बहुत मुश्किल है. Why to do tough thing when you have an easy way? And the person who has, मैं इतने लाख घुसे खाया मार्केट में 15 साल. I can tell you, go for the way which is easy. हमारे टाइम पे we had no options. till 2024 there was no other option than option buying. So I did. अभी तो है ना option. If you don't know, if you lose money in options in India, in market, and if you make money in futures or options of crypto in FIU registered exchanges, you can set both. उसको दोनों को set off कर सकते हो. अगर उधर लॉस हुआ है, if you made loss in the Indian market, you made profit in the crypto market, it can be nullified, it can be balanced out. ठीक है, जो भी CA लोग हैं, they can say yes, सही है ना, right? तो अगर इजी चीज मैं बताऊंगा तो करोगे ना. तो इजी चीज है, why we don't do option selling, because it is costly in India. पैसे की वैल्यू होती है, if you put in bank, it is 7%, 8%. It will give without any tension. बिना चश्मा लगाए, बिना बाल झड़ाए, बिना बाल सफेद हुए. So option selling is like less risky. I'm not saying zero risk. Less risky. So we don't do because capital ज़्यादा लगता है. But when option selling में leverage आ जाता है picture में, then it becomes easier. So I will try to make you believe today that with 1 lakh rupees you can make 50, 60, 70,000 rupees with less tension. Because यहाँ पे कोई भी ज़्यादातर लोग 1 लाख से कम कमा